How to add money to PayPal account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open PayPal. Log into your account, then click on Wallet at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, click on Add Credit Cards. Then after that, you'll be able to add your bank account. After you've added your bank account, go to Home, and then in Home you'll find Balance in this way. Click on your balance at the top, then click on Add Money. After that, enter the amount and press on Next at the bottom. Then select your bank account and press on Add Money at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. This is how to add money to PayPal account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.